Family, I have an announcement. This weekend, we go camping.
Camping, yes! Can I sleep in the tent? Can I make a fire? Can I see an animal?
Yes, yes, and probably yes.
Dad, did you check the weather forecast?
Emma, we do not need to check the weather forecast. Look outside, blue sky.
The weather changes in the mountains, Dad.
Emma, I have been camping before. I know the mountains. I am basically a mountain man.
Mike, when did you last go camping?
15 years ago. But I remember everything. It is like riding a bike.
You also said that about riding a bike last summer.
That was a different bike.
Okay, but I am packing my own bag. And I am putting a torch in it. I want to pack mud boots and a stick. Can I bring a stick?
Dad, is the tent broken?
The tent is not broken. The pole is broken. The tent itself is completely fine.
Can we put up the tent without the pole?
We can try.
It is like a sleeping bag, a very big sleeping bag.
Okay, new plan. We use the tent as a shelter. We put it over that low branch, like a lean-to.
What is a lean-to?
It is a very creative kind of tent.
Dad, there is a fox.
Oh, wow, look at that, a real fox. Kids, do you see?
Dad, it is looking at our dinner.
It is fine. Foxes don't... Hey! Hey, come back!
Nobody could catch that fox. That was a very fast fox.
We still have the sausages and beans, Dad.
Yes. See? Still plenty of food. Everything is fine.
The fox needed the bread more than us.
Mike,
Yes?
the stove is on fire.
And now the stove is off.
And the sausages are cold.
It is raining!
Yes, Tom, we can see that. I love rain. Rain makes everything muddy, and muddy is the best.
The lean-to is mostly keeping off the rain.
Mostly?
The middle part is dry.
If we all sit in the middle part,
Biscuit?
yes, please.
Mom, you had biscuits the whole time?
I always have biscuits. This is not my first camping trip with your father.
You know, this is actually quite cozy.
Dad, we are sitting in the rain, eating emergency biscuits because a fox stole our bread and you broke the stove.
Yes. And we are all together. And the biscuits are good.
Dad, do you think the fox liked the bread?
I think the fox loved the bread, Tom.
Good. I hope he has a nice dinner. There are so many stars. I have never seen so many before.
You cannot see this in the city. All the lights, they hide the stars. You have to come to the mountains.
Is this why you wanted to come camping? For the stars?
My dad brought me here when I was about your age, Emma.
We lay on the grass just like this. And he showed me the stars. I wanted to do the same for you.
Why didn't you just say that at the beginning, Mike? Instead of, I am a mountain man.
I am also a mountain man.
Dad, that one is moving.
That is a satellite, Tom. It goes around the Earth.
Like a spaceship?
A little bit like a spaceship. Same time next year?
Fix the tent pole first.
Of course.
And check the weather.
Absolutely.
And do not put the food near the fox.
That was one time.
Yes. Same time next year.
I hope the fox comes back.